Today we have the 2022 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It is a hybrid diesel vehicle with a manual transmission. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access 4Pass Connect, Android CarPlay, valet mode, navigation, mobile apps, and emergency assistance. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side.